In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sand in Infinite Craft. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Infinite Craft on your device. You can do this both on the Android version and the web version of Infinite Craft. Now let's get started by dragging earth to the canvas. So go ahead and look for the earth element on the right side. Now combine earth with wind to create dust. Now combine dust with another dust and you'll be able to create a sand. And that is how you can simply create a sand or make a sand in Infinite Craft. If there are other recipes that you want us to create a video for, please don't forget to comment that down below. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and we'll see you in the next video.